On the next slide in the EZPlot training manual, we will go through data calculations. So let's open up the calculations Excel file. Let's click below X title, right-click, and select Calculation. We want a new parameter called new par on the Data 1 sheet. So let's type in new par into the box, and then select the Data 1 worksheet. Now we need to input the calculation that goes with the new parameter. So let's select swing divided by therm. We can also type in the calculation box if we want to. Select OK. The calculation is written up near the top of the sheet. Now let's go look at the Data 1 sheet. We see that new par is in the last column of data. If we click in the cell, we see the formula that is being used. Let's go back to the EZPlot sheet and modify the calculation by typing in the cell. Let's add plus 1.02 on the end. When we hit enter, the calculation updates automatically. Looking back on the Data 1 sheet, we see the formula has plus 1.02 in the formula now. So calculations update when you type in the calculation and hit enter, or when you right-click and select plot. Note that calculations are always performed before any plots are created. In that way, if a plot uses a parameter that relies upon a calculation, the calculation is already performed before the plot is made. Now let's try to modify the existing parameter mold on the Data 1 sheet to have the same calculation as new par. Right-click and select Calculation. Let's just look at the Data 1 sheet and select Mold and put in the calculation of swing divided by therm plus 1.02. Select OK. The calculation is written back to the EZPlot sheet, and on the Data 1 sheet, mold and new par have the same values, since they have the same formulas. Now we can close this file.